Welcome to Walking Through Cities. Today we are visiting Cala Deia. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our destinations. Cala Deia is a small and picturesque beach located near the mountain village of Deia in the Tramuntana Mountains of northwest Mallorca. This tranquil oasis stretches for approximately 70 meters and is mostly covered with small pebbles and quite large boulders. Visitors enjoy the clear water with fascinating shades of green-blue, surrounded by spectacular mountain landscapes. In addition to the impressive scenery, Deia is renowned for its excellent gastronomy. 2 local restaurants offer delicious dishes, including fresh fish, traditional paella, and tapas. Despite not being a family beach due to the absence of sand, Cala Deia is the perfect destination for those seeking an authentic and relaxing experience in a unique natural setting. It is a charming and popular place beloved by locals and tourists alike who appreciate its historic charm and friendly atmosphere. What do you think? Would you visit Cala Deia? If so, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Greetings!